Please give him another round of applause.
I have an idea, guys. Can we go to one of the beautiful places near Pune called Bhimashankar? Miles away from urban lifestyle, Bhimashankar is not just a pilgrimage site, but also a heavenly escape into nature's paradise. The ancient Shiva temple is home to the sixth Shivlinga among the 12 self-nominated Jyotirlingas of Madhya.
Sounds exciting. We will definitely think about this place. पण त्याआधी काही पुढचा परफॉर्मन्स सांगा ना.
हो नक्की. चला तर आता आपण स्वागत करूया आपल्या सर्वांच्या मराठी असोसिएशन पदचे अध्यक्ष श्री प्रतीक कांडेकर यांचं.